Optional repairs can be completed by tapping the item to open. In this example, we will also complete the D service. After opening the service, select Start Repair to initiate the workflow. The service workflow is similar to the repair workflow, but it also requires service form completion. Begin by entering the date and current kilometers. The service form is based on the equipment and can vary between individual equipment and equipment groups. Click Create Repair Form to get started. Tap Pass on the service form items to show it has been completed as part of the service. You can also log a fault from this checklist by selecting Fail. This will create a new fault against this asset, which can be completed during the service or saved for future completion. Like in a pre-start, you enter in the details of the fault and select the sub-fault. This can include a picture for greater explanation. Select the tick icon to save the fault against the equipment. Alternatively, you can repair the fault by selecting the Action Now button. When you select Action Now, a warning will display to ensure you want to close out the fault you just raised. Just as you would finalize a standard fault, please fill out the fault repair form and click Complete Repair to save your change.